Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to the most powerful pre-market and post-market tools to help you gain an edge in the market on Barchart.com. In this video, we'll cover everything from top gainers and volume leaders to advanced strategies using options data. Whether you're just starting or you've been trading for years, these tools can transform the way you navigate the market and find opportunities before and after the bell. Before we get started, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's start by getting an understanding of why pre-market and post-market data is so important to traders and investors. These extended hours give you early insight into market sentiment before the regular session and how the market reacts after the bell. Whether it's earnings reports, news releases, or other factors, pre-market and post-market data can often signal the day's biggest movers. But what does all this information and data mean for you as a trader? Well, it means that you get a chance to get ahead, spotting big trends before the market opens or reacting to some large moves after the close. Let's take a look at Barchart's pre-market page. This is where you'll find vital data like top gainers, top losers, and volume leaders. Let's break these down quickly. Top gainers show stocks that have risen the most in percentage change, while top losers show the biggest declines in stock prices. Volume is another key indicator. The most active list reveals the volume leaders with the most shares traded in the pre-market. You can also click here to view a full list of charts. This page helps you identify early momentum. Are certain stocks showing signs of strength, or are others starting to look weak? Click the charts to take a closer look. Let's dive a little deeper into some advanced strategies to help you level up. First up, let's talk about trading liquidity. Liquidity simply means how easily you can buy or sell an asset without affecting its market price. Low liquidity can cause price volatility, especially in pre- and post-market trading sessions. Next is where volume comes in as a key indicator for trading. Volume is the number of shares traded, and high volume often signals strong market interest. For advanced traders, pairing this data with options flow on Barchart can be a game changer. Options flow reveals where the big money is moving, and when you combine that with pre- or post-market volume spikes, you can spot potential breakout opportunities before and after the bell. And after the bell rings, the post-market session can often reveal how stocks react to late news or earnings announcements. And Barchart's post-market page shows you the top movers and volume leaders after hours, so you're never in the dark about market sentiment. Plus, post-market data can be especially useful for planning the next day's trades. Did you see a stock surge after hours? That's often a sign that traders are reacting to new information. As you've seen, Barchart's pre-market and post-market pages give you powerful tools to stay ahead of the game. From identifying volume leaders to tracking after-hours sentiment, these features offer key insights that can help you refine your trading and investing strategy. So the next time you're looking for an edge, don't forget to check out these pages on Barchart. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a like and share the knowledge with a friend. Be sure to comment below if you have any questions and suggestions. And hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more tips and tools on Barchart.com.